Well, we know lots of you are eager to get outside and into the garden, so all this week, motivation to get gardening. Each day, our gardening pros share advice to make this season your best yet.
Hey, it's Brian with Olson's Greenhouse here with your gardening tip. If you're like me, you love getting out early in the spring and you can't get color into your yard early enough. Well, I've got a tip today that'll help you so that you can plant your flowers that much earlier. A lot of us in this valley have been blessed with this clay soil. It's compacted, it's muddy, it freezes later, and it's tough to get in and work early in the spring. I've got a tip for you today to combat that. To do that, we simply add organic matter into the soil. A good rule of thumb is to add 2 inches of organic matter and work that into the soil 6 inches deep. And what you end up with is this great, beautiful soil that's easy to work and easy to plant into. And the added benefit is it'll provide nutrients as the compost breaks down. It'll provide nutrients for our plants and help us get that much more color all spring long.
And that's just the first of many tips to help make your yard and garden beautiful. Tune in all week for more expert